Long-term investors want to know what stocks in the market are the most likely to grow. Who better to clue us in than Craig Bolanos, co-founder of VestGen, who's also a wealth advisor. Good to see you, Craig. What's your common sense on big growth investing?
Well, I think number one on many people's list can and should be the area of the market that's going to contribute some $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. And of course, that's none other than artificial intelligence, generative AI, powered and backed by large language models. And the truth is, it's not just a technology story. The next move in AI is all of the non-technology companies that are going to be adopting further artificial intelligence to boost productivity. And when you boost productivity, you ultimately boost earnings per share. And that's why AI has to be the number one growth engine.
What about areas of the market connected to demographics?
Well, you can't fight age wave demographics and population density studies. The United States is getting old. It's the graying of America. We're joining some other mature economies and mature countries around the globe. And when you have an aging population intersecting with the concept of rising cost, you need to find a way to create economies of scale, and specifically healthcare technology. I mean, think injectables, think treatments like GLP-1s, think of everything that's about to start coming down the pipe. That intersection of COVID shutdowns with healthcare has changed the landscape with how people are going to be interacting with providers. And I think that's why healthcare technology's got to be number two on the list.
What would be a third area of the stock market possibly poised for growth?
Well, the third one is directly related to the first two. The more that things become digital, the more that you have to worry about the concept of penetration points and protecting PII, personally identifiable information. So that means number three of the thematic is cybersecurity. I mean, if we look at things that have progressed around the globe, like GDPR, General Data Protection Rules in Europe, I think eventually concepts like that are going to make their way into the United States of America. And what does that mean? Cybersecurity is not just going to be nice to have. Cybersecurity is an obligation and a responsibility for all businesses and all providers across the ecosystem. So cybersecurity is number three. If someone wants help in learning how to get retired and stay retired and wants to find ways to invest along these three long-term secular themes, connect with us at getretiredstayretired.com. That's getretiredstayretired.com.